33rd Coren Assembly officially kicked off today with the arrival and registration of participants from across the country and beyond. The event, which promises to be engaging and impactful, commenced with a welcome at the registration desk. Delegates expressed satisfaction with the smooth and efficient registration process.
It's a pleasure to be here at the Coren Assembly for this year. Actually, this is my first time and I'm quite impressed with the process. I got a mail days before which gave specific instructions, and following the instruction, the process has been seamless, and I look forward to a very promising assembly.
The level of the registration here is, in fact, everything is labeled according to booths. So if you have registered, your booth number will be sent to you, then you come direct to your booth and then collect your material and leave. There is nothing stressful in the registration.
Well, possibly for what I saw something online about this residency program, which I feel we're going to talk about it in this assembly. I expect Coren to have a kind of law school, a kind of engineering school, not just train out the graduates to go and look for where they are going to do their residency. You know, when it's like in a law school, you're going to be admitted into the law school after your graduation year. If there's something like an engineering school after graduation, like that, then there will be other fields in the school like that. Then they're going to train them for the 1 year. Unlike when you go out and you're looking for a civil engineering firm, nobody wants to take a graduate training and the likes. But if it's a school and it's going to be Coren that's going to train them regularly for the 1 year, then the 1 year is going to worth it. Unlike them going around searching for where they're going to do the residency.
We came in yesterday and I've collected all my materials, the workshop materials, quite easy. We came in, though they were supposed to start in full force yesterday, but they still this skeletal service for those people that are on ground as at yesterday. It didn't take long. After checking, if you are able to, at least if you have your booth number, even without the booth number, the officials took their time, check, collect your paper, they just check your receipt. With the receipt, they'll be able to trace it. Within less than 5 minutes, we are done. So it seems quite seamless, and they seem to know what they are doing. So, and even the report I've gotten from some people that collected this morning, it didn't take long for them to for them to be attended to. Quite impressive as usual. Well done, Coren.
Later in the evening, participants gathered for the presidential cocktail, a time to network and unwind ahead of the main sessions. In a brief address, the president of Coren, Engineer Sadiq Zubair Abubakar, welcomed all guests and expressed optimism about the days ahead.
It is our delight that we are here to once again network, discuss very germane issues that are of concern to the engineering family of Nigeria, comprising of the engineers, the technologies, the technicians, and the craftsmen. I sincerely welcome you, and I want you to please take your time, relax, and enjoy this little cocktail that I put together to welcome you to Abuja. We promise you we are going to have a very resounding and beneficial assembly this year.
A ceremonial toast was made, setting the tone of what promises to be an inspiring and memorable assembly.
We're going to make a toast to the engineering family.
With day one successfully concluded, anticipation builds for the robust discussions and activities lined up in the days ahead.